My name is Dan Aldridge. I practice law in Huntsville, Alabama. Primarily do personal injury, litigation, trial work, represent folks who have been injured or the family members of persons who have been killed as a result of the neglect or wrongful conduct of other people. One of the first things I tell my clients when they come in, and I really mean it, is that I'm going to shoot very straight with them. I'm going to not sugarcoat anything, because in this business, it's very, very important that you know exactly where everybody's coming from. And so the fact that I'm very straightforward and honest, I think, is a huge thing that has been a big part of any success that I've had. And then the other thing is, because of the nature of a small firm like we are, we kind of take a personal interest in not only the client, but ends up taking an interest in their family and things that they have going on. And typically, as a result of that, we'll have a client forever. You know, they'll come back or send their children or friends or relatives to see us. So I think that kind of makes us different from a lot of your cookie cutter and big firm experiences that people sometimes nowadays have to undergo. If we don't win the case, then not only do my clients not get paid or reimbursed or awarded damages for what they've been through, but we don't get paid either. Lawyers don't get paid either. So, you know, that's important, because so many times a lot of my clients are persons who don't have a lot of money, and so they're not in a position to finance what is oftentimes, if not always, a very expensive proposition. I mean, to maintain and to pay for experts, filing fees, depositions, investigations, and all the things that go with a lawsuit. You know, people just don't have the financial capability to do that. In fact, it's even hard a lot of times. You have to be smart even when you're a lawyer doing it. So if I was hiring a lawyer, I would honestly hire myself, because I know that my staff and the way that I'm geared and wired, I guess, so to speak, is it's a care issue, and we care. You know, we care not only what happens to you during the course of the litigation, but we'll follow up, and we care about what happens to you afterwards, and also we end up typically becoming acquainted and establishing relationships with even family members and all as well. So yeah, I mean, I would, I don't know how to say this, but I would definitely hire myself, and I'm proud of what we do for my clients.